morning, boys and girls. Good morning to you too. Jesus wants us to prosper and to be in good health. If you're looking for ways to prevent colds and flus and other infection, you must first begin by eating properly. Let us pray. Anybody want to pray? Go ahead.
Thank you, Heavenly Father, for waking us up this morning. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for making us come to class this morning. And Jesus' name I pray, amen.
Amen. Who prayed for me just now? Nathaniel. Boys and girls, it's snack time. Sing along. It is snack time. It is snack time. Everyone, everyone. Jesus wants us to prosper. Jesus wants us to prosper and be in good health. Be in good health. It is snack time. It is snack time. Everyone, everyone. Jesus wants us to prosper. Jesus wants us to prosper and be in good health. Be in good health. Welcome, boys and girls, and a very special welcome to Lumori and Sai in North Caucus.
Yes,
Oh, boy. Yes, good to hear your voices. Welcome to my other boys and girls all around the Turks and Caicos Islands. Did you know that currently there are no research that supports the use of supplements to prevent certain types of illnesses, for example, COVID-19?
Yes.
So the best thing to do is to eat properly. Now, what system have we been looking at from morning?
The immune system.
Thank you so much. Who said that? Oh, that you're so smart. And so today, for our snack time, we will be doing a tropical blend yogurt. Can you tell me some foods that you believe can boost the immune system?
Fruits.
Fruits. Very good.
Vegetables.
What else? You have to eat your citrus fruits, like your oranges and your grapefruits and your tangerines. Red bell pepper. Yes, red bell peppers contain 3 times the amount of vitamin C that is in one orange. Other fruits are ginger, yogurt, spinach, avocado, almond, and turmeric. For our snack time today, we will be doing a tropical yogurt blend. So we have grape, pineapple, we have papaya.
I have green and yellow apples, watermelon, grapes, pineapples, some almond, and a mix of sunflower and pumpkin seeds.
So I'm going to put 1 piece of papaya. I'm going to put in 4 slices of apples, and I have red apple and green apple. I'm going to put in 1 watermelon. I'm going to put in some grapes. I'm going to put in some cantaloupe. And of course, almond, some sunflower seeds. Put that in.
Where you can find sunflower seeds?
You can get it at the supermarket. And I think I'm going to put in another.
We can grow them.
It's not so easy to grow, but you can always try.
Okay.
So now it's time to put in the yogurt. I'm going to put in my plain yogurt.
For the first blended smoothie and the Greek vanilla yogurt for the second one.
So in goes the plain yogurt, and I'm going to put in the entire plain yogurt. This looks good, right?
Guys, I would blend this until it is smooth. So you blend it for about 2 minutes. Pour it in the glass and just look at this. It is best served chilled, so I will stick it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes and
just
serve
look at
chill.
that.
No.
Oh, this looks good, right? So the color of our yogurt has changed, and it's now a nice orange looking color. That looks yummy, right?
So our first smoothie is all done, our tropical blend smoothie. And now we're going on to the second one. We're using the Greek yogurt and adding 4 cubes of ice to this one before we actually start blending it. Okay. So boys and girls, it's time for the taste test. The first smoothie, it is not as sweet, however, it is delicious. The second one, it's creamy and delicious as if ice cream was added to it. It's beautiful, and I hope you try this and share your video with us. It's time for a question and answer segment. Remember to write the answer for the 3 questions and your name in the comments section so I can know who you are.